we are back with another video. Alright guys, we are back with another vid. So as you see from the title of this vid, this is a what's in my box. This is my second one. So I was waiting on a couple things to come in. They came in. So without further ado, we gonna hop right into it. But I have a little disclaimer because I had recorded this video already, but I didn't like how it turned out. So I had deleted it. So therefore everything's been unboxed. But I will insert pictures to let y'all know, like, you know, everything, like what's in my box. So y'all see all that. So like I said, without further ado, we're going to drop right into the vid. So this is the first thing that I unboxed. Here was, wow, this shirt right here from Money Run Clothing. Shout out to them. Shout out to E-Money Shoes, Retro Queen 313, and also PM Kicks for having me on the Who Has the Heat podcast, sponsored by Money Run. They send you a shirt over, and this shirt is dope, so I will be wearing this. Shout out to Money Run Clothing. So yeah, this is dope right here. Like this a lot, so I will be rocking that. So the next thing that I had unboxed was, wow, this right here. So this is an LSU Tigers Snapback. As you see, I grabbed this off eBay. This joint right here is dope. You got the Tigers up there like I showed. As you see, the Tiger, the LSU Tiger, his name is Mike actually, and as you see, it's over the Superdome here. So yeah, this joint right here is tough. Like it. It's got a vintage feel, so I had to grab that. This was 15 bucks if I didn't say already, and it's from eBay. So I grabbed that hat. You know I gotta have something to match with it. Y'all know how I get down. I am the best dressed dude on YouTube. Wow, here we go. As you see right here, got this LSU pullover jacket. This right here was 15 bucks. Got the Tiger right there, check that out, dope. Somebody in PA had sold this to me off eBay. This is a vintage boy, so I might have to put it in a dryer, knock out the wrinkles before I wear it. But other than that, man, this joint is dope. As you see, matches that hat perfectly. So y'all already know how I get down on my channel. I call my channel Kicks and Fits for a reason. Y'all know, y'all already know, if I have it fit together, kicks gonna match that fit. But what type of kicks did I get though? Let's see. Wow, got these Shaq Attacks right here. As you see, these are the LSU edition. Shaquille O'Neal went to LSU, if y'all did not know that. And this is his shoe, the Shaq Attack. As you see, got the tag on it. It says Shaq. Got Reebok. Got his emblem right here. Got the Tigers stripes on here. Pretty. This is a pretty dope touch. These shoes right here were 45 bucks off eBay. Steal. Like I said, I be catching steals and deals on eBay. I'm one of the few who still shop on eBay, so I'm always on there catching some steals and deals. But yeah, these were 45 bucks right here. So as you see, show y'all one more time. Yeah, these are dope right here. All right, so another thing that I want to show that wasn't unboxed. If you follow my Instagram channel, you've seen these already, but I have to show you these. Wow, this right here is a painting that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if y'all have those in y'all area, but it's a dope spot where you can get home stuff for cheap. So as y'all see, Batman's my favorite superhero, so I had to grab him. And yeah, so this was 30 bucks. Got this for 40% off. So yeah, this joint right here was dope. So yeah, it was 30 bucks. Can't beat that for that. And that's a big ass picture, as y'all see. So then the next one that I grabbed, wow, the Black Panther. Had to grab this. This joint right here is sick, as you see. Like Black Panther, you know, like, was a dope movie. One of the best movies that I saw last year. And like I said, I do this little superhero stuff, so had to grab Black Panther, rock with them. So yeah, this was dope right here. This one right here, this one was $25. So like I said, I got these both from Hobby Lobby. They were 40% off their original price. Can't beat that. And I had those for a minute. All right, so this right here came from the boy. Shout out to E Money Shoes again. He did a mall vlog in Hawaii, and he had some shoes in there. I've been inquiring about these because I couldn't find them, and the outlets where I live is kind of shitty, so we don't get a lot of stuff. So these haven't come there yet. So I was just like, yeah, let me grab these now because I've been wanting them. So he looked out for me, as you see, size 10. Like I said, I already had shot this video, so this was boxed up. And as you see, the receipts. Shout out to him. So let's see what I got though. Wow, the South Beach 8s. These right here are fire. Anybody who knows me knows that the 8s are my favorite Jordan silhouette. So yeah, this right here was a must for me. I love this colorway. And I know my boy, he gonna be watching my channel, so I gotta shout out to the Solution for Kicks, because he is like, these aren't the South Beaches. He called them the Riverwalk 8s. So yeah, so I had to grab these Riverwalk 8s. Shout out to him though. Yeah, man, like, yeah, these are dope. Quality on them is dope. They did come with the extra laces. I'm definitely going to lace swap them. We're going to probably go with this one, depending on what type of fit I get to match, because y'all know how I get down. I might put them both in, but we'll see. But definitely the green ones, they're going in there for sure. So as y'all see, I know y'all seen these before, the South Beach 8s or the Riverwalk 8s, as my boy Solution for the Kicks would say. So yeah, these are dope. Got these for $145, so I can't beat it. Can't beat that. So shout out to E Money again for picking these up for me and shipping them to me. So I really appreciate that. All right, so the last thing that I had unboxed for you guys to see, Jordan 1 box. You probably already know what these are. And like I said, shout out to my boy. I had said this in my original recording. Shout out to my boy McFly, because he does like a real review. And you know, that's what I had done, but I didn't like how my video turned out. So y'all ain't going to get that type of real review right now, but shout out to him. And it's these right here, the turbo green ones. So like I said, these, I was able to get these real easy off the sneakers app. I just clicked my size, checked out, they came to me. So as y'all see, comes with the 2 laces with the Jordan emblem on them. Yeah, it's on both of them. So as y'all see, I got the receipt right here from Nike. You know, so, but yeah, these are dope. I like these a lot. You know, I had already looked at them and everything from my original review, but yeah, these are dope. Y'all seen them already. I know y'all tired of seeing turbo greens, but it really is a dope shoe. My only complaint is I have the same complaint that McFly had, and that's just I don't like the fact that they put sale on this side or on this panel of the shoe, but you have here on the upper right here, or the midsole, or yeah, the midsole right here, you have this in white. You know, like, I don't like the fact that they did that. But other than that, that's the only gripe that I have. The quality on here is supreme. It's very supreme quality. Yeah, so these are definitely dope. This is definitely dope. This is probably the best quality Jordan 1 that I own. This is probably the best one. And yeah, as far as the shoes go, as far as the shoestrings go, we're going to keep these white ones in here. I'm not going to take them out. So now that I got these, I'm going to be on a hunt for a hat. Already looking at a shirt right now on eBay that I'm about to grab to match this. So y'all already know how I get down. When I get some kicks, gotta have a shirt, and I gotta have a hat to match it. So we on a hunt for that. So that is everything that was in my box. So thank you guys for rocking with me. And if you like how my videos go, subscribe to the channel, rock with your boy. I'm trying to get, my goal is actually, because I never really told y'all this, but my goal is to get 300 subscribers by June. It was for the end of the year, but I moved it up. I'm like, I could grind that out. We can get that done. I'm at 169 right now. So if I would appreciate everybody to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, have some dope content on here that you guys would, like to rock with. So if that's it, we about to end this video right here. So if you like what I'm doing, rock with your boy, subscribe to the channel, and we are out of here, guys. Peace.